Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Jackfruit Kofta curry. For that I have taken 300 grams of jackfruit. As far as possible you take the tender ones, not with the seed one. I have got this, so I am using this. One potato I have boiled and mashed it. I have taken gram flour, corn flour, garam masala, turmeric powder, hing powder, green chilli paste. I have to add a little bit of ginger garlic paste also, salt, oil for frying, and chopped coriander leaves. If you want you can add half onion chopped in this. Now you have to mash this. I have pressure cooked it for 6 to 7 whistles. After cleaning, this I will mash and add to the kadai along with basin, cornflour, the garam masala and the turmeric powder. I mixed all the ingredients and the masalas in the Kathal and made balls out of it, kept ready for frying. If you want you can coat with breadcrumbs and fry it, or as it is also you can fry. Here I have mixed the dal, tamarind pulp, Sambhar Masala, salt and the jaggery, and kept for boiling. As we prepare the kofta, we can put it in the dal. I am giving a South Indian style touch to this dish. If you want you can make it with tomato based gravy also. I have fried one batch of kofta. Second batch I am putting. While putting the kofta, keep the flame high and afterwards you reduce it. And again I am saying that when you select the jackfruit, you use the tender jackfruit, not with the seed one. Now this has come to a boil. You have to cook this till the raw taste of tamarind goes off. If you want you can give tadka of mustard seeds and cumin seeds. I have added the hing powder also in this. You can coat the koftas with breadcrumbs and fry it. Kathal ki kofta is ready here. The dal is also cooked with tamarind pulp and sambhar powder. Now we'll add the koftas in that. Now I will switch off the gas because the soapstone is very hot. After switching off the gas also it will boil. So I will switch off this now. So you can see I have switched off the gas. See, you can the boil coming out of this. So now garnish with coriander leaves. Rest of the koftas you can serve it while serving along with roti or bakri, or you can eat as it is. I have added the coriander leaves also. The gravy thickens when it cools down. So this quarter cup of dal is enough. I have taken Masoor dal. The kofta curry is ready here to serve along with chapati or bakri. You can increase the quantity of dal if you want. If you want a little bit of thick gravy, I have taken quarter cup of dal. If you want, you can add a half cup of dal in it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon and all so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.